Hi guys, and this is Shakti back to another video. And today I'll be burning these crackers. It's almost 1 month before Diwali, but I just wanna enjoy these crackers. So I just made a burning video of these crackers, so you guys also can enjoy this. Hope you enjoyed this video. So make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And the Lakshmi bomb is cost around 25 rupees. And this lard is 15 rupees and the hydro bomb is 40 rupees. And these are the price of these crackers. Hope you will enjoy this video. Thank you.
இந்த இங்கே தானே அந்த காமச்சி மண்டபம் சும்மா கொஞ்ச நாளைக்கு சும்மா அப்புறம் ஊருக்கு போயிடல. அம்சிக்கா தலிக்க